Hello guys, this boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video from How to PC channel. Today I walk you through how to forget or delete the network Wi-Fi connection. This step is very easy. You go to Windows icon and go to setting. From setting you go to network. We're looking for network. Where's the network? Right here, and you see we have our network here. Click in privacy, click on it. You see we have connected automatically in the rain. You can display that or scroll down or back, and you can go to, and we have the same. What's going on? Let's see, manage network privacy. You click on network. You have something wrong here. Just click in Wi-Fi. From Wi-Fi, right click, secure. Let's click on it, and you can connect, disable that by off, and that it for today. And this video for today I hope you for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time. Bye bye.